What's going on? I thought I would show you real quick on how to get the door panel off. This is a 2008 Ford Taurus X. Not very difficult to do. You'll have a little screw behind here. There'll be a little circle piece that you just pick out with a tiny little pick or a small screwdriver or something. Get that out. This little plate will come off. Then you'll need down here two 5.5 millimeter sockets. Then use your little plastic device to pry out this, where the window and lock mechanism, just pry all that out. Then you'll just need Phillips head screwdrivers. You need a little short Phillips head screwdriver for this one here because it won't reach, a regular screwdriver, there's not enough room in here. So a little short Phillips here, then a regular Phillips there, and then there's two other Phillips underneath. And then you do nothing more than just strongly pull the door panel off. Just yank the sucker off. And you can take this off too. This just pulls off by hand. There's no nuts, bolts, screws, whatever. Just grab a hold of this and just pull it off and set it off to the side. And then you'll see the speaker. Speaker will be down here, and it's a little T20, 4 screws to remove that. Seriously not difficult at all. And if you're going to install some aftermarket speakers, get yourself this little wiring harness adapter. There's the number right there. Because the factory wiring harness for the speaker is a little funky looking, unless you're planning on hacking into it and cutting the thing off and all that, which I prefer not to do that, but you have your option to do that. And not a big deal to replace the door speakers, and I'm sure it's similar for most other Fords, but this happens to be an 08 Ford Taurus X. And there you have it. So we're doing all kinds of stuff. I'd play music for you because it sounds awesome, but YouTube would just flag the friggin' thing,
Brand new 2019 Nissan Frontier.
How about some talking there?
21,000.
Yeah, the old speakers up front were really bad shape. They were original. Dry rotted and vibrating and just sounded like crap. So I replaced them with some Kicker 6x8s, and sounds good. So check out our other videos. We're doing a lot more kind of work to this car, and it may help you on Ford and Lincoln Mercury vehicles that have similar setups. And so we got tons of more videos coming and more already posted. So check out, subscribe, like, follow, blah, blah, blah. Have a good day. See y'all later.